Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Google Nest Wi-Fi blinking blue. Watch the video until the end so you learn this and more. For fixing this problem, here are some steps. So the first step is restart your Google Nest Wi-Fi. First, locate the rest button on your Google Nest Wi-Fi. Press and hold it for 10 seconds until the light turns solid blue. Then the second step is check your internet connection. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable. Check that the Ethernet cable is securely connected. Also, make sure your internet modem is powered on and connected to the router. After doing these steps, then the next step is check for firmware updates. Now open the Google Home app on your smartphone, navigate to the devices section and check for any available firmware updates for your Google Nest Wi-Fi. Then the fourth step is reset your Google Nest Wi-Fi. If the issue persists, it's time for a factory reset. Press and hold the reset button for 15 seconds until the light flashes amber and then turns solid blue. After doing these steps, then the last step is contact support. If you have tried everything and still no luck, don't hesitate to contact Google Nest support for assistance. This is how you can fix Google Nest Wi-Fi blinking blue. Thanks for watching till the next time.